Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare a wonderful hair growth remedy using moringa powder, rice water. This is rice, it's soaked in water, it's been in water for a while, so we'll just extract the water when we're ready to use it. And this is coconut oil, and this is aloe vera. We'll use the gel. So to know more about this wonderful miraculous hair growth remedy, you have to keep watching. But first, don't forget to click that subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you find this video helpful and useful, share with your friends and loved ones and give us a huge thumbs up. So let's get right into it. The first ingredient you'll be needing for this remedy is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel contains enzymes that helps repair the dead skin cells on the scalp. Aloe vera gel acts as a cleanser and a conditioner to the hair. It's going to help soothe your hair and help give your hair that shiny and beautiful glow. Aloe vera helps to promote hair growth and is going to prevent any kind of itching and dandruff on your scalp. It's going to help heal any damage already done to your scalp, and it's going to help rejuvenate your hair and it's going to regenerate your hair, giving you a very beautiful, long, strong hair. The next ingredient you will be needing for this simple remedy is moringa powder. Moringa powder contains vitamins A, B, C, and E. Moringa powder also contains so many healthy vitamins and minerals that is going to help exfoliate your scalp and is going to cleanse your scalp by getting rid of any kind of toxins from the pores of your scalp, and is going to help get rid of the dead skin cells on your scalp and give way for new and healthy scalp tissues to grow. It's going to help cleanse and purify your scalp pores, and it's going to help promote the growth of your hair. Next ingredient you will be needing for this remedy is coconut oil. Coconut oil contains so many vitamins and minerals. Coconut oil is going to help moisturize and rejuvenate your scalp. It's going to help condition and soothe your hair, and it's going to treat any kind of frizz on your hair, and it's going to help prevent split ends, and it's going to help strengthen your hair strands and increase the length and depth of your hair. The next ingredient we'll be needing is rice water. Rice water is rich in healthy carbohydrates which helps to promote hair growth. Rice water is going to help fight any kind of irritation on your scalp, and it's going to help rejuvenate your hair and keep the pH level of your scalp balanced, because rice water contains higher amount of pH level than her scalp has. So it's going to increase it and it's going to balance it, therefore keeping your scalp in a very healthy condition, and it's going to help stimulate circulation on your scalp, which promotes hair growth. Like I said, I had already soaked the rice for a while, so we'll just strain the water because we need just the water. Water is ready. The next thing we'll be doing now is to prepare the aloe vera. So we'll just take a bit from this and we'll extract the gel. And here is the aloe vera gel. So we'll just pound it to make it a bit smooth and fluffy. Aloe vera gel is almost ready. it is ready. So we'll just add it to the rice water. Now the next thing we'll be adding to the rice water is the moringa powder. We just need about a tablespoon. We'll add it to the rice water and we'll just mix this gently and allow the moringa powder to absorb the rice water and soak in completely into the rice water and aloe vera gel. You try to mix to get rid of all the lumps so we can have a lump-free rice water. So mix this thoroughly. So the moringa is completely dissolved. The next thing we'll do now is to strain this out so that we can have a clear water. If you have a cheesecloth, you can use a cheesecloth instead. One tablespoon. So we added 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil. So we'll just stir all of this together. Let's go ahead and stir for it to combine properly. So guys, our hair growth remedy is ready. To apply this, you partition your hair into small portions and massage this wonderful miraculous hair growth into your hair, your scalp, to repair any kind of itchiness or dandruff on your scalp. It's going to help heal your scalp of any damage done to it already, maybe from the sun or from the too much chemicals we use by way of relaxer, conditioner or shampoo. So you just massage this into your scalp, massage your scalp for 10 minutes and you allow it to sit on your scalp for 30 minutes. After that, you go ahead and wash it off with warm water. Then you apply whatever hair cream you use. This is it guys. Do try this and let me know your result in the comment section below, and share this video with your friends and loved ones because I know it was helpful and useful to you. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on this channel, and give me a huge thumbs up because I know you liked it. To my next video, I'll see you all very soon.